let's learn Malibu by Hole. The intro is going to be E minor 9. D, B minor, and A. Also, the verses are the same chord progression. So let's go ahead and play through the intro and verse chord structure together. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be the intro and the verse. Now the chorus is going to be G, E minor, D, and A. And it's hey, hey, you know what to do. 1, 2, hey, hey. Okay, that is the chorus and the outro. Now let's move on lastly to the bridge. The bridge is going to be G. This is and the sun goes down, I watch you slip away. The bridge is G, D with an F sharp in the bass. If you can reach that. If not, you can just play the regular D chord. A sus. So, and the sun goes down, watch it slip away. One more time. Okay, so now you know the 3 major chord progressions of the song, and with those progressions, you should be able to put them all together and play the whole song by yourself. Please like and subscribe if you like the lesson, and I will see you on the next one. Good luck.